Hello guys, myself Manoj Sharma. Welcome to TechnoSage. So in this video, let's talk about the concatenate function in Excel. Concatenate function joins two or more text string together to form one string. Let's take an example. Let's suppose we have a customer first name and the customer last name. We want to join these two strings together to form a complete name. For this, the concatenate function comes handy. Let's see how. Now on the screen, as you can see, I want to have the first name and the last name in the complete form, or rather combined. So how we can achieve this? I'll put equals and will put concatenate. You can see down below the compatibility functions are also coming. We have to use the same one. Now put the bracket and under the bracket choose the first name, comma and the last name and hit enter. As on the screen you can see that the concatenate function joins the two string, but when you are joining the two string, Excel does not insert a space or any punctuation between the two combined strings. So we must insert a space when we are using the concatenate function. So we will edit this and we'll put the space in between, and again we'll put a comma, hit enter, and this time you can see that one space is added. So we are basically concatenating three strings. One is the first name, second is the space, and third is the last name. And now I'll drag to apply the formula to all the other cells. And here you can see that I'm getting the complete name of the customers using the first name and the last name. So this was all about the concatenate function. I'll just clear up everything here. Now we will achieve the similar thing using the AND symbol. How? On the cell, put equals, select the first name, put and since we have to provide the space in between the first name and the last name, so we will insert the space. We will put the space. I'll again put the and I'll select the last name over here and hit enter. And you can see by using this AND symbol, I'm able to achieve the concatenation. I'll scroll this down and everything will be applicable to other cells as well. So concatenation can be achieved using the concatenate function or using the AND symbol. So this is all about the concatenate function in Excel. I hope you understood this function well. Please do let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.